Hello everyone, welcome back to Ingridjoyaromas. Today I have a project that I want to show you. It's frankincense massage blend for inflammation, and it can also help with arthritis relief. So here am I with my bottles. I had made some oil before. So now I'm gonna be making some different oils, and this is the blend I want to show you guys. So frankincense is really wide in helping treatments, and these are the oils too that they will help in prescriptions, and it will help. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna drop my oil. I'm gonna be put the recipe in front of me, like probably right on my right hand side, my left hand side, sorry. So I shouldn't be talking right now, guys, because I'm dropping a lot right now for this massage oil. And also, if you need to know what I do, I also make candles, massage oil, serums, soap, you name it. So if you should in the future need to know what I do and what sometime I sell, you can find me at Ingridjoyaromas on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I am gonna be dropping these things in these bottles, and I will get back to you as soon as I finish. But in the meantime, I will be putting up some information for you about frankincense, so I hope you follow. So you also need a gloves, guys. I should tell you that in the beginning. You need serum, all your essential oils, your bottle. You need a funnel if you need to, and you need a syringe. So as you can see, I'm struggling here with this frankincense here bottle. So let me go ahead and just drop these in, and I will get back to you guys. So that was my last one. So I'm gonna go ahead, and also I'm using sweet almond oil today, but you can top yours off with any of your favorite oil that you have, carrier oil that is. It can be a boba oil, it can be almond oil, It can be fractionated coconut oil. It can be avocado oil. I mean, these are really not the oil that you use, guys, in your cooking. These oils are processed differently. I guess for massage oil, you can get away with your um, avocado oil or your olive oil in your kitchen, the extra virgin olive oil for the massage oil. But any other oil that you have to make to go on your face, please do not use those. So all you need to do, guys, is just give these a good shake, and when you're finished, it's ready to use. You can go ahead and massage it in the area. I mean, I use this massage oil on my whole entire body. I'll just make a big batch. So for example, if you're going to be making a big batch, or you're going to make a 2 ounce, because this is a 1 ounce bottle, you can go ahead and double up. And the recipe that you see in front of you, it's on my left hand side. So also you can read about frankincense. It's good also, guys, to Google frankincense and how beneficial these are. Frankincense is also used in medicine. It's used in, like, for me, for example, I use it in my creams, my face serums, any serums whatsoever I make. I use it in my diffuser. I mean, frankincense is also so wide, so you can go ahead and just check out frankincense. Frankincense and myrrh is not just what you use to burn your house out, guys. I mean, I am from Jamaica, but when I was growing up, I thought frankincense, this is what I seen my mom used to do to burn out the house, as frankincense and myrrh. But over here now, it is so interesting to know how beneficial these are. So I'm just topping off these bottles right now, and to show you how these are going. And I think this is the last of it. Let me see if I can get enough. Wow, I just have enough to, guys, to actually fill up these bottles, but I didn't get enough right now. But I might do that later, or yeah, I'm gonna try to do that later. And what I'm gonna show you right now, I have a trick that I use the hand sanitizer, guys, to clean off my bottles, and it works so good as the rubbing alcohol and the water. Because how I used to use my to rub these, or to clean these bottles off, is I use the rubbing alcohol and water solution, and I will spray it on my hand towel or my Kleenex, whatever I'm using to do, and I will just clean it. But now I find that the hand sanitizer, if you put the hand sanitizer on your Kleenex or your paper towel, it will do the trick as the same as the rubbing alcohol and the water itself. So as you can see, I'm done here, guys, and I hope you try this this recipe, because, guys, you can save money. Not only that you can save money, you know what's going on your skin, and you know that anything that you put on your skin goes straight in your bloodstream. And I've been keep on telling everyone that. So I hope everyone have a great day. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.